Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, very interesting. The Dow Jones closed at 50,116. First time ever, the Dow Jones has closed above 50,000 and is even have touched 50,000. So, after consecutive three sessions of downward momentum, the Dow Jones has finally recovered and shown some bounce back and closed above 50,000 levels. Now, Nasdaq again gave a fantastic rally. It closed at 527 points positive. However, look at Amazon, the share tanked, but other IT stocks, SaaS stocks, bounced back, because of which Nasdaq closed at 527 points positive. Now, S&P 500. Look at S&P 500. It's the biggest rally in 2026 so far, 133 points positive. Now, at the time of recording, the US 30 is showing a gap up opening. Now, the US market investors are waiting for the next CPI data, US job report data, plus earnings from Coca-Cola and from Ford's Motor. So, these things are very much awaited in US market. Now, let's talk about FII and DIA data. Now, recently the FII has turned bullish. So FII have bought close to 1,950 crores, and DII they have sold close to 1,265 crores. So from the past 1 to 2 years, it was going vice versa. FII were buying and the FII were selling, and DII were buying. But now it is happening reverse. The FII are buying and DII are selling. Now look at FII index options buying. They have bought close to 10,642 crores in index options. So they have been continuously buying in index options. Now let's talk about SGX Nifty. Now SGX Nifty is showing a staggering gap up opening of 200 points. Now the reason behind this gap up opening is because the framework of India-US trade deal will be happening. US has reduced the tariffs on additional tariff what they have put on India. They have reduced it to zero. So also from the American market, the positive signals are coming. Earnings and all these things are leading the SGX Nifty to open at 200 points gap up. Now Asian markets are mostly flat to positive. Let's talk about gold and silver. So gold is now above $5,000 and silver is at $81. Now, if you ask me personally, which one is cheaper, gold or silver? For me, silver is more cheaper than gold. So for me, buying silver at this market price make more sense than buying gold. So silver is cheaper than gold. So this is my view. Now, let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yesterday, after the RBI announced the repo rate, they have kept it to unchanged to 5.25%. So repo rate remained unchanged at 5.25%. Market was very volatile, but it closed at day high. Now Nifty futures have closed at 25,735. The support is 25,500 and the resistance is 25,926,000. Now, I am gonna make a very bold statement here. Nifty futures for me is a buy. I know we are opening 200 points gap up, but if you can see on left hand side or right hand side, that I have already told to my people, to my people who are in my group, to buy Nifty. I said this on Friday market only, that buy Nifty, buy. And for me also, it's a buy on Nifty. So 25,450 will be my stop loss, and it's a buy on Nifty. Now, similarly on Bank Nifty, 60,252 is gonna be the closing. What happened now? The support is 60,000 and the resistance is 60,500. So Nifty is more bullish than Bank Nifty. So I am super bullish on Nifty. It's a clear buy from my side. Stop loss will be 25,450 on Nifty futures on closing basis. So very bullish on Nifty. Yesterday still market is in lower low structure, but Nifty given a very strong support at 25,500. I am expecting to 26,000 even on new highs will touch very soon. So 25,450 will be my stop loss, and it's a buy on Nifty. Now let's talk about some results. So SBI gave a fantastic results, right? So SBI, after even at opening, I think SBI will cross 1 lakh crore market cap. Now the revenue is up by 4.80% and net profit is up by 13.10%. The NII, net interest income, will also have upgraded, and the commentary was very positive. So because of which SBI is already in a massive rally. I remember I told you to buy SBI at 800 levels. Now it is above 1000. So it will cross 1 lakh crore market cap. I'm very much confident it will break. So SBI should be on your radar. Now Tata Steel, the numbers are improving, the books are improving, the revenue is up by 6.30% and net profit is up by 723%. 262,688 crore is the profit for Tata Steel. So this is it. I have given you the important levels. I have given you my view. It's a buy on Nifty. Nifty looks very strong as compared to Bank Nifty, but today I think Bank Nifty will also move because of SBI numbers. Now, thank you for watching. I hope you would have learned a lot. If you find that interesting, smash the like button and comment what was the favorite or great learning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.